Good morning, Baltimore. Good morning, Peter Franco. I need an audit. I need to go to the Supreme Court. I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. To beat the best, you got to be the best, you got to beat the best, and you ain't beat me yet. Have you heard? Mic check! It's your wake-up call, Baltimore. It's election year. Do you value your careers? Y'all running for office. I'm running my mouth. All right? Y'all see where I'm at? I'm in Mount Washington. And this is Peter Franchott. And that's my store on Falls Road. We talking about Baltimore, ReWired, the money behind the machine. Talking about racism 101, Scott Shellenberger. Peter Franchott, you got evidence and knowledge of corruption in the courts. This is Shorty's self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. All right? I was making a movie about Baltimore. You see that? Health, education. I was making a movie. That's the IRS. All right? Employer identification number. Taxpayer. It's taxpayers night and y'all need to pay my money. Y'all owe me $250 million. Intellectual property theft. I was making a movie about Vanessa Attenberry, Delegate Smith, the Maryland Black Caucus. How you use your black bodies to sell black men into slavery. All right? And you holding the evidence. Shorty's. All right? Testimonial 2007. Activist Cook Shorty. You feel me? It's a time to pee because y'all made me famous for toilets. Y'all made me famous for toilets and I'm going to run with that shit. I got all kind of toilets. But mainly it's the art and activism. That's the toilet you locked me up for 11 years ago. From Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. And that's Scott Shellenberger. We talking about the courts and the criminality in the courts, the corruption in the courts. That's the toilet in New York City. That's the toilet at the school board. And that's President Donald Trump. And that's Governor Hogan. All right? Like I said, I was making a movie about Baltimore. It's a time to pee. That's the state of Maryland. Weaving a better Baltimore. That's from Governor Hogan. And he gave that award to me. So I'm taking that award money and I'm making a movie about Baltimore. Baltimore, ReWired. That's me on the House of Cards. That's me with Ed Mulatello from the Ravens. That's Ozzie Newsome. Told you I was making a movie. Director of Promotions and Arts. Baltimore, New York, Chicago, and Philadelphia. You feel me? And that's Mayor Brandon Scott. It's making a movie about your prison industry. All right? Your prison industry. About being black in America 2022. Black lives don't matter. Black money do. That's Ozzie Newsome in my store, Shorty's. And that's Governor O'Malley. That's my store. I was making a movie. A Hollywood production. And we're going to the Supreme Court with this. Like I said, I'm weaving a better Baltimore. This is to prove I was making a movie so you can't sue us. And there's also contact information for upcoming events. Thank you. That's from 2009. That's Jake Davis. That's Duran Battle. They stole over $250,000. They stole a lot of money from the state of Maryland. That's Michael Coons. That's Charlie Stokes. That's my witness. That's my daughter. These are the supporters of Shorty's. So Peter Franchott, you got information. These are the supporters of Shorty. We are employing any and all appropriate officials in the state of Maryland to assist Shorty. All right? That's Peter Franchott. Brian Frosch. That's a forged check from 2008. That's not my signature. Black lives matter? No, black money do. That's my lawyer, John Bailey. That's a legal notice. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. I ain't a jailhouse snitch. And right here, Block Party gets bigger and better. All right? Davis, we dying out here. You feel me? And that's me and my grill. That's Senator Kelly from 2007. To whom it may concern. Senator Kelly. That's Vicki Lawrence from Mama's Place. And Shorty. So Peter Franchott, I was making a movie. David Simon, I was making a movie, Baltimore ReWired. Y'all made a lot of money off The Wire. But that was a fictional movie. This ain't fictional. This is factual. We're going to show you the corruption behind the war on drugs. N62528. State of Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. From Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. To be the best, you got to beat the best. And you ain't beat me yet. I'm Shorty. I'm weaving in Baltimore. Mike! Check! Can you hear me now? $250 million. Intellectual property theft. We're talking about Fox 45. We're talking about ABC. We're talking about NBC, CBS, the Baltimore Sun, the Baltimore Brew. That $250 million is going to come from all of you because all of y'all participated in my kidnapping.